Heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported south.
Officer, please find my friend.
Sorry, sir, he's no longer with us.
No, he can't leave me like this.